It's all about homemade pizza, Dollar Tree pizza pan, your pizza crust, and the rest is left up to you. This is what we're doing today. Hey guys, I wanted to come on and just share with you what I had for dinner last night. Last night was Friday night. I got home from work and I was exhausted. I was tired. So I was trying to think of something quick and easy. You know, sometimes you just get tired of eating out. So I started to look in my refrigerator to see what I had in there. Saw that I had some pizza crust. Okay, I have pizza crust. What else do I have to go with this pizza crust? So then I started looking around. I realized that I had some leftover steak from Wednesday night. I cooked it on the grill. And it's that steak that you get in the box that you make the steakums that you get from Sam's Club. So I had some of that. So I looked around. I found some cheese. I found some banana peppers. I found some tomatoes. And guys, when I share with you how delicious that pizza looked, and then I'm gonna have to go ahead and brag on myself to say that pizza was delicious. So I want you guys to just look. I'm just gonna share with you this quick video of how you too can search your refrigerator and find things that you already have and make yourself a quick and easy meal. Mine just happened to be this can of pizza crust that was readily and available, and all I had to do was put on the fixings. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will enjoy the look of my beautifully decorated, displayed, and yummy, yummy pizza. I'm your host here, and if you like home decor, shopping hauls, DIYs, cooking, cleaning, you're at the right place. I do a little bit of some things more than I do of other things. Every now and again I can get in a cooking video, so this will be it. My first cooking video of the season. If you love all those things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all up and kindling videos that are created on this channel. And for those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I take this time to say thanks, guys. Continue to enjoy, watch, and be blessed. Hey guys, now's a great time to give me that big old thumbs up and grab your coffee, tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I thought I was recording as I was layering my toppings. It's Friday night, guys, and I'm trying to figure out what do we want to eat. I need something quick because I'm extremely tired. So I discovered that I had some pizza dough in the refrigerator. I had some cheese, some tomatoes, some steak, and some banana peppers. So, I decided to toss it on this pizza pan, and now I am going to stick it in the oven and see what we can come up with. I am using 2 different types of cheese. I am using the sharp cheddar and the mozzarella. I've placed the mozzarella on the bottom, then I layered with the steak, the tomatoes, and the peppers. Then I added another layer of cheese, and I'm going to stick this in the oven. Guys, this is just off the cuff. This is just something that I looked in the refrigerator to see what it was that I had. And so we're going to stick this in the oven and see what we can make happen on this Friday evening for dinner. Yeah, hubby's in there watching Shark Tank, so I hope that I don't have to do a voiceover on this. But hey, hope you will enjoy it. So stick around. I'll come back and share with you the results in just a little. So I'm placing this in the oven for 8 minutes. There we have it. And when that time is up, I'll come back and take a look to see if we'll have to do anything in addition to. So my total cook time was 16 minutes. First 8 minutes, I let it cook on the bottom. The second 8 minutes, I let it cook 6 minutes on the bottom, and the other two, actually about a little over 5 minutes for the second round on the bottom. And this is what that bottom looks like. Absolutely beautiful browning. And then the rest of the time of that second 8 minutes, I cooked on the top. And it is looking amazing.